Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a student school transfer letter. What is a student school transfer letter? A school transfer letter request is a request letter given by the student to the admissions or registrar of the school where he or she is currently at. A school transfer letter request includes the following information: the reason for transfer, the request for the issuance of transfer certificate letters. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a student school transfer letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the full name of the recipient. Under it, write the occupation in the institution. In this example, the letter is addressed to the principal. And write the name of the school or institution. Under it, write the address of the school or institution. Remember, when you write the address, it is better to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also add contact information like phone number or email address, but it is optional. And now, you can open the letter with salutation. Here, you can simply write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, tell the reason why you are writing this letter. In this case, you can simply write that you request the recipient to issue a transfer certificate for your son. Or you can also write it for yourself, but in this example, the writer is the father. When you request this, mention the full name of the student. In this example, the full name is Harry Potter. And write also the class as well as the student number. This will make the process faster when you provide enough information. And you can tell the reason why you want the student to transfer to another school. You can mention it verbally or written here. Just make sure that the principal knows. In the second paragraph, you must show your gratitude to the recipient and the school for taking care of your children during the past academic year. In case you have no idea how to write it, just follow the video. Write I would like to express my sincere gratitude to you, and all the staff members for their support and cooperation afforded to my daughter or son during his or her past academic year. Of course, you can write by your own language. And the last paragraph, say something good for the school or institution. For example, you can write that you wish the organization or school or institution the greatest of success in all of its endeavors. And you can close it with thank you. Finally, end the letter with sincerely. Or you can also write yours faithfully, or so on. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your relationship with the student. So, that's how you write a student school transfer letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. And thank you so much for your support for this channel. See you soon.